welcome to the final vlog of the year. Merry Christmas. Nah! Welcome to the final vlog of the year. Merry Christmas, and here's to an amazing 2022. So next Wednesday, 10 a.m. Our time?
Yes.
Yeah. Awesome.
I am preparing all the boxes, which is going to contain our Swish wine, Swish chocolates, and basically all the Christmas goodies that we're sending to all the Swish clients. And ideally, I'd like to be able to have all of these 100 boxes done by the end of today, and then they get to the clients on time.
Swish blue, butter caramel, smooth and creamy caramel filling, and a raspberry and white.
What we can do creatively.
Christmas-related questions.
Okay. Is this a quiz?
No, it's just Q&A.
Okay.
How much do you typically budget for your Christmas?
Probably the 31 cents.
How do you plan for Christmas? What's planned for your Christmas, and how do you plan for it?
So we're not going to be hosting anything. Just going to be me. I'm just going to have a quiet Christmas. This is why you.
I think we're thinking of the wrong word there.
Anyway, all right. Have a bit of a think. Boxing Day sale. Yes, happy with that. Happy with it to finish on New Year's Eve.
Yep.
Or New Year's Day. And whatever that last bit was. We spoke
You
about as well.
give the gift of education. That copy,
Just a gift card somewhere.
like a PDF of like a coupon, like a thing that they can print out.
They can print it out and they can literally give it them and say, hey,
As a
I've
gift.
enrolled you into the SWISH Bootcamp for February.
I like that one. So that.
Oh,
The
I have it. I have it.
Yeah.
It's give the gift that keeps on giving. He is writing it down, isn't he?
All right.
And turn it into a GTG, GGT.
Yeah.
Oh, you put that on the do not use list. It still has to be uniform.
Oh my god, this is so funny.
I'm definitely eating your ball. Let's do a silly one. Alright.
So you put that on camera.
I don't know what I'm going for a silly one, yeah?
Yeah, what kind of silly are we wanting to do?
I'm eating these balls. I think everybody can do
Does
whatever
everyone
they
know
want.
the Jingle Bell Rock dance?
Start off main goal.
No.
No.
Okay.
I'm ready. Me and Steve are ready.
All right.
Alright, we're good.
Yeah, it's a video.
Oh. What's
Hey.
the hair in my mouth?
Well, that's
I don't know what I'm doing.
Is this video having
Is everybody else pressing? Are we all doing it? Just let me know if you're all doing
Jingle
it.
bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
What's this?
Come on, we're gonna stop thrusting. I'm trying to get the ball in now.
It's getting really weird.
Alright, that's it guys, thank you.
Alright, take
That's
a
it.
silly photo.
Oh, you wanted a genuine silly?
Yeah.
But that's the video going out, surely.
No, we need a silly shot.
Thanks
My
guys.
elbows are covering
Go
my
team.
I wouldn't touch that.
Can you hide
Bang
my
on
teeth,
quarter past,
please?
look at that. Merry Christmas.
Got a
Done.
border pass?
Thank you,
Bang on
Jackson.
quarter past. She's like, you got a quarter pass?
Where are you going?
Nearly got me arrested. I said it was quarter past, officer.
Oh.
No, it's like, no. So that's where you use the justifier. So you would say, well, as you're probably aware, right? So I empower them with education and knowledge. So as you're probably aware, with every single trade does come a fee. We like to look at it as an investment for our services and the work that we go on to create that platform which enabled you to make those trades in the first place. But this
1497
perfect. And that one?
995.
Beautiful. That is how you deliver them, right? I mean, these are, I always say I'm teaching life skills as well, right? So when you deliver a number, to minimize the impact on the person, you're not lying, you're still giving the right information, you're still giving the same information, but you're telling your truth better. We want to deliver it in single digits, not hundreds and thousands. There's hundreds and thousands we know sets off a few sales offences. So if I was to say 1,490.
Well, what I was going to say is that businesses have come to us.
Grooming and deportment.
Yeah, it's grooming and deportment. So you can literally, we can just start grooming people and children.
That was not